is Sweeep Kuusakoski. We're a waste electronics recycler in Kent. We recycle waste electronics at about 8 to 10 tonnes an hour through the plant behind me. We literally spin the electronics apart, creating valuable commodities from the rubbish that might have already gone into landfill. So once we're happy, the material goes into our plant and we literally then spin it apart in a big chamber with chains in the bottom of the chamber, creating a vortex of everything bashing together. And it's literally maybe a kettle hitting a toaster, hitting a microwave that disassembles the electronics. And once it's all taken apart, we can then use magnets and eddy currents and optical sorters and all kinds of clever things to separate the commodities into valuable raw materials. Bit of circuit board like this. Next stop for this is actually Japan at a company called Mitsubishi that I'm probably already heard of. And they literally melt it and recover little bits of gold, silver, palladium, but all of that gets recycled. All of our plastic stays in the UK. We literally separate by polymer and then reform that into reusable pellets, but all in the UK. So when we buy a new kettle, there's actually a small added charge on that from the manufacturer to actually fund the recycling of the old kettle. So we're actually self-funding the electronics to be recycled. So it's not coming out of the council tax, it's actually being funded under producer responsibility. So the least we should do is actually use the service if it's available.